Hey everybody, what's going on? Danny Koker here, aka The Count. You are about to see something really cool that we did right here at Count's Customs. My amazing crew was led by Ryan Evans in the paint shop and Shannon Aikau in the bike shop. Together, they customized this gorgeous 2017 Indian Chief motorcycle to perfection. I want you to check out this video reveal to our newest family member, Scott, and how we built his bike into an incredible showstopper. So enjoy the ride. I'll see you real soon.
That is so sweet.
That is not your dealership cruiser.
No, it is not.
Leaving the engine chrome on it, was a lot easier on the bill and overall build.
Yeah.
But getting rid of all the chrome everywhere else, this thing is just badass. It looks like a drag bike.
It does. Holy smokes.
That's gorgeous. Fantastic. Love the cross.
It was a collaboration on the gas tank.
Yeah.
Nick Lee is an airbrush artist that used to work here with us, and I started it, and everything else work-wise around me kind of caved in on me. So I was like, hey Nick, I need you to pull an audible on
Yeah,
me.
you had a lot going on.
So he did the mural on the gas tank, and I added all the gold leaf and everything to it.
It's fantastic.
To tie it in together. Because they're very typical to have the Indian head on the gas tank.
Oh, yeah.
But they really have no relation with the rest of the bike.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
that's why I wanted to work that gold leaf in there.
Yeah, I think it looks fantastic.
And I think it was your idea to de-chrome this thing, and man, I know Shannon's gonna cuss you for it,
no.
but
It's the last one I do as far as powder coating it. They're either going to be made chrome or made black. And I understand now that Indian has like a black version of it.
Yeah.
And the tolerances are a lot different
Yeah.
when you order them black. So
but they're
I know.
they're a satin black.
Yeah.
Not gloss?
They're dark horse or whatever.
Yeah.
it's called.
Okay.
It's kind of a satin.
or more like the pipe color
Yeah.
stuff.
So there's not as much material on there. So the fitment of it is a little different.
A little different.
Yeah, it's so cool. That's going to get some attention around the Indian riders
Oh, yeah.
in Boise.
They're gonna love you or hate you. And honestly, I know you've got another seat, and you said it's got red stitching on there. That's why I got the red. I know we talked about a narrower pinstripe,
Yeah.
but because the black and the gold were just so dominant, it just disappeared. So I pulled the red out a little bit.
No, I love it. Yeah, I really like that.
But I think honestly, you can go either way. You know, your black seat with the red stitching, or
No, I think it looks great.
even that. We re-Cerakoted. We do a Cerakote brand Cerakoting, so all
Yeah.
the pipes have been re-Cerakoted. Powder coat, a lot of it has been sanded down and re-clear coated just for the quality, the finish of it. All your sheet metal has been stripped down to bare metal. There's no factory paint anywhere. Built up from there, and bed lined on the inside. It's not just undercoating, it's bed lined. Like we discussed, I saw some of the rust veining
Yeah.
underneath the factory finish.
This bike, it wasn't mine originally. I bought it from a guy and shipped it from Indiana, and I'm thinking that's probably
Oh, Indiana had
That's
Indiana
probably where
termites on it. All
where
right.
where the rust came from.
Yeah, they've got that salt slurry that they put down on the roads in the winters.
But you couldn't see it, right?
Yep.
Well, once it was all taken apart, though, I brought it out back and then we cleaned it up. So
It's fantastic. Thanks, Shannon. It's nice to
Oh,
meet you, by
no
the way,
worries.
Scott. Yeah.
Nice
Thank
to
you.
meet you,
Thank you.
thank
I
you.
ran into Scott at Bear Jackson in Scottsdale.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, that was fun. Watching you guys march the car.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool.
We talked a little bit, but I didn't want to give too much away. I almost did, but luckily I didn't have pictures on my phone.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Uh-oh.
Are you guys trying to take credit for everything?
Yeah, absolutely. The guys that did all the work
I
are
know.
definitely over here taking credit for their work.
Yes.
What are you talking about, Ryan? I sat by for hours and watched you work on that.
I know.
Good job. Good job.
Like, I was there for you the whole time. It was rough. It was rough. These guys are not easy to work with sometimes. So, just see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're not easy to work.
Enjoy your motorcycle, but I definitely stayed by and made sure it's top notch. So you're good to go. You
Yeah.
can pretty much ride it home right now.
I know you're probably bummed there's no horns on it, but yeah.
It was a little disappointing. I was like, so we're not going to make it cool? All right, I guess we can
Oh,
just...
get out of here with that. Go back to washing your truck.
Horny Mike approved.
Horny Mike approved. It's got the Horny Mike stamp of approval.
What I did with the paint was, you've got a Mustang sitting at home.
Yeah.
It's roughly this color.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I swear, even before you sent the pictures of the Mustang, I hope it's this color. It was that color.
Oh yeah.
I'm like, cool, I got the color. I know the color.
Yeah, I love that color. I think it really ties in nicely.
It does. It's a classy color. It shows the body lines. It doesn't have too much of a flop where it does weird stuff. What you see is what you get. When the sun hits it, it just glows. I did there's a root beer fade away from the red, so you got little sparkles right there on the edge.
Yeah.
And then the gold leaf, and it's got a black candy stripe down the middle of it. So it gives it the appearance of having two stripes, but not actually.
I love how the gold color from the Mustang, the way you kind of shadow it in almost.
Nice shadow on there.
That's
so
so
it
cool.
separates everything. Gives it some depth.
that just looks fantastic.
Like I was saying with the moldings, I think once we finished everything, I wasn't so concerned about the spot welds anymore. But I am, like I said, with like the quality of the molding itself. It just starts doing weird stuff.
I got new plates for it.
Huh?
Man.
Danny's gonna be jealous.
Yeah.
Have a seat on it, man.
Yeah, for sure.
My hat's off to you on that seat. It's comfortable.
Yeah, I love these
The bike.
seats. I've got a few of them
The backrest is perfect.
for these long rides.
Yeah.
Longer rides. Absolutely. I have a Harley, and I put a backrest on that thing when I started taking it on longer rides, and I was like, yeah, every seat I have, I think I'm gonna put one of these on. I'm just to that point, right?
I don't get to see the bikes or the cars in the sun very often. They're always parked
Always inside.
They're always in the bat caves. And with black, you're kind of married to it. Sorry. You're gonna keep it waxed. When they're a factory finish, they have orange peel so that they don't scratch as easily. When they're this shiny and flat, they scratch real easy.
With my other bike, I've done paint protection on it, and I've done, and then I've ceramic coated it.
Yep.
And that makes a big difference.
Huge difference.
Yeah. So, are you supposed to wait a certain period of time after it's been painted to do that?
Give it another month or so,
Okay.
and you're ready to go. But I do highly, highly, highly recommend that. It protects the paint, and it's gorgeous after that.
Yeah, this is stunning, man. I'm pleased. I'm very, very pleased. This is awesome. Well, I appreciate it, man.
Oh, we appreciate you bringing it to us. This was a learning lesson for us as well. I mean, we've de-chromed bikes in the past, but it was, it's done more often. But in this particular case, we've never seen one. That changed everything.
We're just trying to figure out how much, keep some of it, because it's not like you don't want everything black.
Use that ring
Got it. Yeah.
of epoxy. But that keeps the gas from seeping in up underneath the paint.
Yeah, that's gonna get some attention, boys.
And when you first wash the car or have it Cerakoted at first, the cross that's on the back, don't freak out when it disappears. When whatever's on it, the water or whatever, dries, it comes back. So it's actually etched in the clear. You don't feel it in any way. It's not a sticker. But when it gets wet, it kind of disappears. We call that our watermark. It just kind of goes away.
Oh yeah.
But it comes back when it dries. The bed liner, you can feel it. It's not crappy rubberized undercoating. That's legit stuff, and it's all been epoxied as well. That's the industry standard for stopping that. Nothing gets sandblasted. We don't warp any of the sheet metal, so it's not all wonky when we get it back. Everything is by hand stripped.
We learned.
Stamp of approval.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, I love it.
You definitely, in my opinion, win the Transformation Award of the last 5 or 6 years for us.
Oh, it's amazing.
We've done a lot of these, and they always look fantastic, but chrome is always making it look a little more expensive. But this is definitely proving that wrong.
Yeah, I love it. I think the mix is great. I really do.
Good call on your part.
You had a lot of input into it too, man. I really appreciate it. We talked several times on kind of the look we wanted to go with, so kind of going with the a little more sinister. This bike's fun to ride.
Yeah.
It's just comfortable to ride.
It's fast. It's comfortable.
For as big a bike as it is, it's really easy to maneuver around. I mean, this thing is just like.
Awesome.
Well, the next one I send down will probably be a car. So
All right.
We do those too.
Do it. You do
that's what I hear.
Okay.
That's what I hear. Yeah, great job, guys.
Thank you.
Very cool.
Thanks for bringing it.
I appreciate it. Thanks,
Thank
Shannon.
you. That's Vegas for you.
What an amazing build, if I may say so myself. That's because that's what we do here at Counts Customs in Las Vegas. So be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now so you don't miss any more amazing rides coming at you down the road. God bless you guys, and thank you so much for watching.